Hey you guys, the doc is Hope here and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and having a great week so far. So, happy Friday! Alright y'all, so this video is actually a request from Ezzy DT. Hello Ezzy out there. She said to me, thanks for the video. Can you make a video of the 5 essential patterns? The criteria are easy to hack and versatile. Thanks again. I got you, Ezzy. I got you. So that's what today's video is about. I have 5 patterns for you guys that are rated easy. They are beginner friendly and they are easy to hack. So you can change things, add, subtract, or whatever you want to do with them. I got those 5 patterns for you and they are all rated easy. So if that is some content that you are ready to see, let's get into this video. But first, just in case you all were going to ask, I'm going to share with you what I'm wearing today. This is New Look 6508. This is a dress that I made several years ago. I used a rayon challis fabric. Let me turn my camera so I can show it to you. Don't mind my background. And you can't really see my face, but it's okay. So this is that dress from New Look, which I love. I love how it sways. And I chose this printed fabric. I think I got this fabric from Fine Fabrics here in Atlanta. And then I chose the buttons here, which are brass, which connect the skirt to the top because they actually do come apart. So I really think you could maybe wear this as separates as well because it is finished. Now that I look at it, I never thought about that until today. I could probably wear this separately, but that's not what we're doing today. So here's the back as well. It has a little opening in the back and then buttons down the back as well. I'm here by myself right now, so I couldn't get that 3rd button or else it would be buttoned. Hopefully you can see that. And then I just love this open back here. And again, there's a zipper on the back as well. So that is today's pattern, you guys. Back to the video. All right, y'all. So the first pattern I'm going to share with you is Simplicity 8378. If I see a picture of these pants that I made, I will share it with you here. But this pattern is a very super beginner friendly pattern that is great for pattern hacking. It actually says pattern hacking on it from Simplicity. And this was like one of the first pair of pants I ever made. So it is an elastic waistband. It has pockets. And there's 3 different views. Actually, there's 5 different views you can choose and you can hack them accordingly. So this pattern, let's look at here. This is your Mrs. Knit with 2 leg widths and options for design hacking. So this pattern has just 7 pieces, you guys. Your suggested fabrics are, this is size for stretch knits only. So this is your stretchy fabrics, but definitely easy, beginner friendly. Your notions, you only need thread and ballpoint needles. This pattern ranges from an extra small to an extra large. So there's size inclusivity here. There is an elastic waistband, so you are going to need some 1-inch wide elastic. And for the legs, if you decide to taper the legs, you're going to need some elastic for that as well. Going back to the sizing, the extra small corresponds to a size 4 and the extra large corresponds to a 26. So these pants, y'all, I'm telling you, if you've never sewn pants before, this is a good place to start. Trust me on that. You can make, it says make your knit pants your way with multiple pattern pieces for design hacking. So put the creativity in your hands. This is like one of those base patterns where you start with it for sizing and then you can just do whatever you want to do. So I love this from Simplicity. There's also a pattern hack video on the simplicity.com website. Hey, so again, this is rated easy. Let me show you guys these line drawings here. So if you're looking for some beginner friendly hackable pants, girl, get yourself Simplicity 8378 and thank me later. All right. And these are your basics. These are your essentials. So I love that. Love, love, love that as well. So let's go ahead and go over to our next pattern, which is kind of like the sister pattern to Simplicity 8378. This is Simplicity 8376. So this is the top pattern. Also simple, easy, hackable. Essential. Who doesn't need tops, right? So start here. Start here. If you're wondering, okay, what do I make? Where do I start? Start here. So this pattern is so super cute. There are 9 pieces total. I don't think you use all of them, and you can literally go from a standard t-shirt to a ruffled flounce to like a baby doll style tee. Come on, y'all, this is good stuff. So this is your Mrs. Knit top with options for design hacking. Your suggested fabrics are your stretch knits only. So this is your interlock, your jacquard, your jersey. So any of those, you can sew this on your overlocker or using a zigzag stitch on your sewing machine. Love, 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 love this pattern, you guys. This ranges from an extra small to an extra large as well. And again, you have the ruffle option, you have the double ruffle option, or you could just do your own thing. So you could hack the neckline if you wanted to, make it into a V instead of a scoop. Sky's the limit. Sleeves, no sleeves, lengthen the sleeves into long sleeves. It's all up to you, right? So I absolutely adore this pattern from Simplicity. Okay, so let me show you guys these line drawings here so that you can see how those look. The front and back view of those line drawings here. Again, this is easy. There is a pattern hack video again. And again, Mrs. Top your way. So you can just do whatever you want to do with this pattern. So if you guys do not have Simplicity 8376, pick that up, sew yourself up a top, hack away. If you're just starting to hack patterns, this is like the perfect place to start because they're giving you the options. You don't have to like figure it out or like think too hard about it. They're actually giving you like, these are the hacks you can do, or you can choose your own. So this is another base pattern that is an essential that you need in your closet starting out as a beginner sewer hacking patterns. Okay, all right, so what wardrobe would be complete without a hackable dress? So again, Simplicity has come through with this dress. It is like a kimono style dress, which I love. It is also rated easy, which I love, which we love, right? This is Simplicity 8657. Again, this is part of their pattern hacking line. And this dress, you guys, is just gorgeous. Like, it's so simple, it's so elegant, it's so chic. I adore it. This is another essential that you'll want to add to your pattern stash and hack away, because guess what? You can make this dress into a top. You can make this dress into a cardigan or a tunic. It's up to you. You can do whatever you want with that opening in the front. Add buttons, add a zipper, take away the seam, hack it away, right? So I love, love, love this pattern for you guys. I was so excited when I saw it. I was like, oh snap, they're gonna love this dress. I love this dress. Okay. So, I mean, my goodness, look at that. It's like a t-shirt dress. Love it. So, this pattern only has 7 pieces, you guys. This is a Mrs. Caftan with options for design hacking. Your suggested fabrics are your batiks, your challis, your chambray, your cotton types, your gauze, your linen types, your silky types, your voile. Woo. So, yes, we love it. We love, love, love this pattern, you guys. You are going to need some single fold bias tape, and if you're sewing up the kimono, you're going to need some fringe trim, but you don't have to do all that. You know, that's only if you decide to do that. Okay, it's all up to you. This whole video is about, it's up to you. Okay, so this is all about what you're comfortable with. This pattern ranges from an extra small to an extra large. Again, a 4 to a 26. And I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So let me show you guys these line drawings here, because you gotta see those. These are the line drawings, and again, make it your own. Do whatever you want with this pattern. That's what it's made for. So again, this is starting from basic shapes, giving you instructions to create your own pieces and perfect wardrobe. We love that from Simplicity, don't we? So again, this is easy. If you're looking for that dress, that starter dress, this is it. This is the one. This is the one. The top to the dress to the top, however you want to do that. This is Simplicity 8657. Add that one to your cart and add it to your essentials, you guys. You could layer this with a jacket or a blazer or something cute, and this could take you right into fall, right? So we got options. We got options, y'all. All right. Okay, so the next pattern I'm gonna share with you guys is New Look 6602. Again, it's rated easy, of course, because I got you. This pattern, when I saw it, I was like, yep, girls need this. The girls need this in their lives. And so here it is. This pattern has a top, it has pants, it has a dress, it has another dress. You got pockets, you got no pockets. You got sleeves, you got no sleeves. You got a slit, you got no slit. So all these options, you guys, you could turn the pants into shorts by just shortening them instead of wearing them as pants. Just fold that pattern in half, make yourself some shorts. You could extend that tunic top she has on into a full-length dress with no slit. You could change the the dress with the sleeves into a cute top. You could change the summer dress, like the maxi dress, into a top and skirt. So many options, you guys. When I saw this pattern, I was like, yep, she's hackable. She's hackable. So I'm so excited to share that one with you guys as well. Let's talk about it, guys. This is your Mrs. Easy dresses in 2 lengths plus a tunic and pants. Love this, love this. Let me show you guys the line drawings here. As you can see, the dress, the long dress, the tunic, the pants that you could make into shorts. It's an elastic waistband, so easy peasy, lemon squeezy, no flies, no zippers, no buttons, no fuss, no muss. Y'all know I like to say that. But this pattern I thought was really great for you guys. All right, y'all, so the last pattern I'm gonna share with you today in this Essentials Simple, Easy, Hackable, Beginner-Friendly series. Are y'all having fun? This is a pattern from Simplicity. This is 9334. And this top, this is a bad top, y'all. It's a bad top. Again, it is rated easy. This is your misses and women's pullover V-neck tops in 2 lengths with gathered 3/4 elbow and short flutter sleeves. So I adore this. When I saw this, I was like, okay, we make tops, but can we elongate this into a dress? Okay, can y'all see that? Can you envision that into a dress? Especially VC. When I saw VC, I was like, she wants to be a dress. She's a shirt, but she so badly wants to be a dress. And I feel like if you just added yourself some length to that, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. That would be a beautiful dress. Beautiful. So I chose this pattern for you to hack as well. You could also hack the neckline if you wanted to, make it a plunging V, make it a boat neck, scoop neck, whatever you want to do. Again, you could play around with the sleeves here. So I thought this was super cute for a hackable blouse that's also beginner friendly, or top. And I love this option for you guys as well. So cute. So cute. Okay, so these are the line drawings here. As you can see, this is your misses and women's tops in 2 lengths. There are 9 pieces to this pattern. Your fabric suggestions are your crepes, your linen, linen blends, your rayons, your satin, your silky types, your cotton types. So any of those fabrics, nice and silky and flowy fabrics for this, which even more so screams dress, right? Because you want that flowy, flowy fabric in your dresses. For your notions, you're going to need thread. You're also going to need some elastic and that is it. So for sizing, this pattern ranges from a 10 to a 28. So keep that in mind. You also will need a little bit of interfacing, but we love this. We love this pattern from Simplicity. Again, these are the line drawings here. Again, rated easy. Again, an essential pattern. So we got two tops. We got some pants or some trousers, and we have a nice little tunic dress, you guys. And then we have that nice new look pattern that we just talked about with the dress options top shorts pants combo. Come on. Did your girl come through? Did she come through, you guys, with these options, with these essentials? That's a whole capsule wardrobe right there. If you're a beginner and you want to hack some stuff and you want some like basics in your closet, this is it. These are the five patterns that you need in your life to jumpstart your wardrobe. So hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully I answered the call. As always, I enjoyed making this video for you guys. Definitely give me a thumbs up down below. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so we can continue to hang out together and you guys can continue to catch these videos because they're gonna keep coming, so stay tuned. All right, you guys, well, until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Be blessed and happy sewing.